So what I got here is a broken glass phone. I had to wear these glasses to make sure the glass won't fall into my eyes. You have to be careful with this. So I'm going to show you guys this. I mean, it used to be a lot better than this, but I cracked it up. I started to found out that there was what I found out was the user dropped this phone down on her Porsche, and now it's cracked all over. And so when I stopped picking this out on the side, I noticed a crack appearing on the side. So I know that the whole frame had to be replaced. So right now I'm just trying to get it out. What I'm doing now is maybe I could go online and find a frame for this. The internal of the phone still works, because I can see that in the morning it start having the alarm going off. So right now I'm trying to pull the battery out, and to do anything else with it, I want to make sure the battery is turned off so that I don't electrocute myself or electric shock myself. There we go. Finally got this thing out. This one was easy taking this out because I had to buy a couple of tools online. I think on eBay you can find this for like $1 or $2. They have this included with some tools, small tool that you can try to unscrews. Everything's for phones, for fixing cell phones, smartphones. And thank God it gave you this thing too. It's like a guitar pick where you can try to, try to get this frame out by doing it on the side. Like I noticed that there's some adhesive tape or adhesive sealing that they try to glue it together. Yeah. I want to show you out here. So this is the phone. That's inside the phone. The back for the Samsung Galaxy S7. Now I'm trying to figure out how to get the battery out. The batteries. It could be some sort of chips inside here. It looks like it could be a chips inside here. Guys, see, it's attached to some sort of adhesive chips up here. And here's the battery. And the battery. So I just need to take this out. I'm confident to be messing around with it. I think this could be attached to here. Before I pull anything out, I want to make sure that I don't damage the internal of the camera phone here. This can be thrown away. So I found one to screw that could get into the cameras. And you can zoom in, zoom out. So there's a small screw here. I'm trying to get it out. The battery is attached to some sort of wiring here. So what I'm doing is unscrewing all these. No. Don't want to break this camera. It seems like I got everything out correctly. I'm lifting up for some reason. Yeah, this is liftable now. Just gonna lift this out. Did I break something there? Nope, I don't think I break anything. Okay, I'm just supposed to lift out. Because it's all glued in. Here, this is all glued in. I break something. So when I was trying to pry this out, I break a little piece of plastic over here. It's not the internal, and nothing's internal. You can still use it. This is just a plastic piece that goes around the camera to make the phone look good, and there's a slight breakage there because I was trying to pry it out. So that's not gonna be good. So after unscrewing everything around the top corner here and then going to the middle, I noticed that underneath the tape filtering, it just kind of laid flatly against this metal plate. I don't know if you can still see it, but I don't know if I can position my camera right. But if you do it yourself, you understand. I mean, I'm showing you my best as I can here. Is there is some sort of tape filtering that taped together underneath of this this plastic that connected to the circuit and somehow detect the camera. There we go. There you go. So my mistake was I hadn't unscrewed the rest, and I tried to pry this out in the beginning, and I break a little bit of plastic here. So next time, if you don't want to make my mistake, try to unscrew all the screw that you see around the whole area of the battery, and then you won't make my mistake. Okay? There we go. There we go. See how easy that is? That was pretty easy. The phone, as you can see, this is a tab that I was telling you about, where this thing is just staying blatantly there. Oh, look like it is attached to something there. There's little chips there. You can see that. If you don't know, you can see that. There you go. This chips is laying on blatantly on this little tiny chip there. So it looks like it's unplugged. So you got to pull it out slowly. I don't want to damage the battery or anything. Go. So that's how you take out the battery from your smartphone Galaxy S7.